A lot of my friends, we were all in it together, like just wild and young, and it was fun. I won't deny that it was fun, and it was, some great times there, right? But in terms of now, like I'm almost like my last relationship before this one was a woman for 12 years. I never cheated on her once in 12 years. So it's not how I am today. Yeah. It's not my nature anymore. And I think also I'm a little tired at this point. Like one's enough.
I was gonna say, do you think that's lessons learned or just age, testosterone, like?
Well, no, I take testosterone.
So he's got
like not that.
Well, every guy over 40, I think pretty much most guys over 40 take testosterone. I'm not embarrassed. Everyone does it because your levels drop, right? I don't take excessive testosterone. I take enough to replace what you normally would have, right? I think that I started, what I realize now, I would never want to hurt the person I'm with. Like, it's hurtful.